What's up guys, I'm John and welcome back to another video. Last year Samsung has released a very good mid-range model which was the Samsung A50, and this year Samsung is back with the A51. Is it a good successor of the A50? Let's take a look. Let's begin by the main feature of this phone. The A51 comes with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display, an Exynos 9611 chipset, 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, 4 cameras at the back of the smartphone and 1 at the front, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 5 and NFC, 4000 mAh of battery with 15W fast charging, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Compared to what we currently have on the market, this phone is a pretty good mid-range model. The design of this phone is functional, elegant and powered on in the hand. We can say goodbye to the old notch that we can find in front of the phone, and to replace that notch, the A51 has a hole punch in front of the screen which is smaller than the Galaxy Note 10. This phone is pretty beautiful, and also with that hole punch we can increase the size of the screen without touching the size of the product. No surprise, we have a flat screen with a small border all around. At the back, we have a plastic case which tries to imitate glass with a prismatic effect. We also have 4 camera sensors with an LED flash. All is located on the upper left corner of the smartphone. All the physical buttons are on the right. And below, we have a headphone jack, an USB Type-C port and a speaker. So I would like to say that this form factor is clearly what we can expect in 2020. The Samsung A51 has a superb 6.5-inch AMOLED display. The screen provides an excellent viewing experience with a vibrant color, deep black, and a good brightness to be seen outside and in direct sunlight. To unlock your phone, we have an incredibly fast facial recognition to get you into your device very quickly. You can also add an optical fingerprint scanner into the always-on display, which gets you into your phone just as quick. With the Exynos 9611 chipset, it should give you a very decent performance. No lag or speed reduction when opening and running any of my usual applications. This processor will run 90% of the game in the Play Store. For your information, it's an equivalent of the Snapdragon 6 or 7 series. The A51 is running a 4000 mAh battery and a 15W fast charging, which is very promising, but sadly there is no wireless charging. At this price range, we can understand that point. This smartphone is coming with the new OS from Samsung, One UI 2 already installed. This OS is one of the best you can find on an Android phone. New gesture, dark mode, and a lot of features are going to be there. The other impressive area considering its price point is its camera offering. In fact, we have a 48 main camera which takes a great shot, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera which satisfies the need for capturing more details on your photos, a 5 megapixel depth sensor which does a great job on focusing on your subject and blurring everything else around, a 5 megapixel macro lens which allow you to get really close to your subject. In addition, it's possible to film in 4K 30 FPS on the rear camera. The front-facing camera has a 32 megapixel lens which takes a great shot, and like the iPhone 11, when you turn your smartphone, you will have a wider angle option. The A51 has also a night mode which is very efficient, but you will have some grainy finish. For that mode, I really advise to use a stabilizer. This phone met all my expectations. It's a perfect phone for daily usage, for example watching video on YouTube, calling and texting, listening music or browsing the web. This phone has a lot of good features and a good build quality, a pretty good interface with One UI 2.0, a great camera and an excellent battery life. it's definitively a worthwhile investment at this price. But if you already have a Samsung A50, you don't have to change it. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts about the new Samsung A51 just below. So if you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram, my account just below. So thanks for watching, see you later, take care of you, au revoir.